All right, guys, well, that is it. Everything is in our hair. I am about to get myself together to go outside to let the sun get on my scalp and feed my follicles vitamin D. And that is about it.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.
Guys, I am no longer afraid to cut my hair at all. At all. Let me tell you why. All right, guys, y'all know on my journey that I have cut all my texturizer off and just grew it all back. And all while I was trying to grow my hair back, I was trying different things and mixing up different products and showing you exactly what I was doing to, grow my hair, to fill in the sparse parts of my hair and just to make my hair healthy. I've been answering you guys questions along the way, and I brought you guys along the way with me so y'all can see for yourself just how far my hair has come. Now guys, y'all know since last year, I will say around July of 2024, let's put it like that. That's when I cut all my hair off, and it has grown back, and it has grown back more than this because y'all know I cut my hair like 4 to 6 times a month. Okay, the more healthier I see my hair becoming and the faster I see my hair growing, the more brazen I am to cut it whenever I want to cut it. But really, guys, I'm not trying to cut in my hair. I'm just showing you that I really don't care about if I cut it or not because I know how to make it grow back. So we got it on. Because remember, I told you guys I had just clipped my hair the other day. See, that goes over my ears when I be trying to style it. And I'm just doing this, guys. It ain't no big deal no more. It really isn't. And I can go all in there. You see that piece sticking out? See that piece sticking out? It's right there. I can go all in there and cut that. But really, guys, like I said, I don't know really how I'm going to style my hair. It's growing. See? It's falling. It's growing and everything. Everything that I have been telling you guys, I do. After I finish shaping up just my sides, because it really don't need cutting, I don't care if it's uneven or anything like that, because I'm trying to make up my mind on how I want to style my hair. But today I will be putting in a protein treatment, but in a different way. So that's all I did, guys, was just go here and go there. Because I'm still trying to make up my mind on what I want to do. So that's why I didn't go all deep into it. And that's why I stopped, because I know I stand here and start cutting all in my head. So I'll cut this stuff in a minute. So I'm just waiting for my rice water to get ready, guys. So here is the rice water that I made this morning and last night. Now this rice water, it looks really cloudy and everything. And that's the one I let sit overnight. I just put in this cup, and as you see, it's like cloudy. It's really cloudy. This is what I just made this morning, and I just washed my hair. So I'm just going to put this on my hair. Y'all done seen me put this on my hair before, so I'm just showing you the difference from it sitting overnight, how cloudy that is, and this sitting for just an hour. You see that? There's a difference. But I'm finna apply it to my hair. I already washed my hair, guys. I'm just pouring it on my hair. Oh, this is enough. I didn't think this was going to be enough because it was just in a little cup. Oh, that was enough. So, the rice water that I have in the longer container, I'm just going to keep that. Oh, that was enough for my hair. So, I am going to let this sit on my hair, guys, for 20 minutes. This stuff is going to keep running. So, I'm just going to let that sit on my hair. This should stop it from running. Let it sit on there for 20 minutes. and then I'll be back to wash it out. So this right here, look at that. You can't even see through it. This right here, guys, I'm going to hold this until next week. I'm going to put a lid on this. I'm going to keep this in the refrigerator for 5 days, and then I'm going to use it again. Or maybe one of my family members want to use, the rice water. But the little cup was enough for my hair. I was shocked. This little cup was enough. So 20 minutes, leave this on, then I'm going to rinse it out. And then I am going to do a spray on conditioner. I'm not going to do a cream conditioner today. So let's just let this sit. It's been in there 20 minutes, so now I'm just going to rinse it out. I want to go ahead and just use this rice water here, but I'm just going to rinse this out. Let me rinse this out. Whew. Whew. I'm going to tell you right now, I am looking forward. Look at my curls. Y'all see that? I am looking forward to how my hair is going to feel after it dries up. So what we are going to do, we're going to put in some leave-in conditioner. Now, the reason why I showed y'all me applying this rice water again is for newcomers who didn't catch the first one. That's just a leave-in conditioner. Strengthen and shine leave-in conditioner. We have already did our tapping and massaging. Hanging upside down. Y'all see that? Look at how just from conditioner, guys. Just from conditioner. When I do my hair, guys, my hair shows me that it loves everything I'm doing to it. So now let's put on the moisturizer. This is Hawaiian Silk 14-in-1. I am going to use it undiluted today, because we just washed our hair. So we already have moisture from the water, from washing it, and from the leave-in conditioner. So we're just going to put on, it out of the bottle. Usually I dilute it. We don't need that today. So now, because all of our ingredients and stuff is on our hair, guys, I'm just going to do that, let it dry the way I want to dry, and I am going to let the sun get to my scalp. All right, guys, well, that is it. Everything is in our hair. I am about to get myself together to go outside to let the sun get on my scalp and feed my follicles vitamin D, and that is about it. I thought I would show you guys me applying the rice water again for my newcomers. So guys, if this video has helped you in any way, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. And guys, by now you have to know I appreciate you. I really do, because you are the reason why my channel is growing, and I really do appreciate you guys. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, take care of your hair, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list.